In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an email symbol into your Microsoft Word document. Whether you're drafting an invitation, creating a template, or simply personalizing a document, adding symbols can significantly enhance the visual appeal of your work. Today, I'm focusing on the Gmail or email symbol, and I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word and navigating to the place where you want to insert the symbol. Once your document is ready and the cursor is positioned exactly where the symbol should appear, we can move forward to the next stage. On the top menu bar, you should see the Insert tab. Click on it and you'll find a set of options presented to you. Look towards the far right side and you'll notice an option labeled Symbol. Click on Symbol and then a small menu will drop down. From there, click on More Symbols, and this will bring up a window filled with all kinds of symbols that you can insert into your document. In the symbol window, you'll first need to make sure you're using the correct font to find the symbol you're looking for. For our purpose today, select Seago UI symbol from the font drop-down menu. This particular font set includes a wide range of symbols and emojis that you can use. Next, look for the subset drop-down menu just below the font menu. From this list, you'll want to choose miscellaneous symbols or dingbats. Once you're there, you can scroll through the available characters. What you're looking for can initially feel like searching for a needle in a haystack, but with a bit of patience, you will find it. Look for the envelope icon or email symbol, which visually resembles a small envelope. Now, when you find this symbol, you'll want to click on it to highlight it. After it's selected, move your attention back to the right-hand side of the symbol window. You should see a button labeled Insert. Clicking this will place your chosen symbol directly where your cursor is located in your document. Upon completing this step, simply press Close to exit the symbol window and return to your document. And there you have it. Your document should now feature the email symbol right where the cursor was placed. But here's a little secret for those who love shortcuts. If you're one for efficiency, you can also use a keyboard shortcut to add this symbol even quicker. Just type 2709 into your document and then press Alt and X simultaneously. Like magic, the code will instantly convert into the email symbol for you. By following these steps, adding an email symbol to your Word document can be both simple and satisfying. Enjoy enriching your documents with these neat symbols, and remember, practice makes perfect. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.